Do you ever just have like one of those amazing days where you feel great and you just want to do something, like maybe film a video or go out for a walk or drink coffee? Well, I want to do all of those things because it's like 50 degrees right now in the end-ish middle of winter, and I just want to get outside, and I'm really excited and I'm in a great mood. So here is an attempt to make an interesting video when I have no plan at all. I just picked up the camera. I'm starting with coffee. Just really quick, while we're on the topic of coffee right now, I want to show you something. This is amazing. Amanda was at TJ Maxx and she found Joffrey's coffee, this like French bistro coffee from Joffrey's, and we bought, I think we bought like all of it. This is that's the second one that I've opened. We have another one, and then another one, and then I just finished one from Peru. They are so good. I think Joffrey's is probably one of my favorite coffee places ever. It's like the best coffee I've ever had. Okay, coffee's done. I don't know what's next. You know what feels really good? Sitting on the porch, talking to the camera again. It's been so cold. I love having the studio that I made. It's nice, but I love sitting outside, drinking my coffee on a beautiful day where it's chilly, but the sun makes it feel like summer. It's so good. And this coffee, that French bistro coffee from Joffrey's, unparalleled. It wasn't super expensive. I love it. So like, I don't know how many people who watch my videos live in cold climates or live in warm climates like Florida and then California and other places. But there's this thing that we go through when we live in the cold called seasonal depression. And I'm only familiar with seasonal depression in the winter because you're trapped inside for months and months. Like around November-ish until last year it was April, we were stuck inside. It's too cold to go out. Sometimes you can go out for a little bit, but you have to bundle up and wear a bunch of clothes. So days like this, I'm like full of vim and vigor, and I just want to get out there and tackle the world and drink coffee and sit on the porch. This is great. I'm so happy. Not sure if you noticed, but those were Disney Crocs, and I am wearing socks. And something else that I'm doing right now is I'm actually wearing clothes. Like normally I just have sweatpants on and some sort of t-shirt with a sweatshirt on. In the last week, I've made an attempt to actually get up in the morning, get dressed, feel and look like a normal person, and it's kind of changing my attitude about the days, but it might have something to do with the weather. Also, it's getting lighter later, so I have more daylight on this beautiful day. I don't know what I'm saying. All right. You ready to go?
Yeah.
You ready to go? Okay, so something I forgot to consider is that when the weather gets warmer and there's snow, the road gets really wet, the sidewalks get wet. Shoes was a terrible idea. We're going back to get boots. Crap, my shoes are all muddy now.
Me too.
We did change the entire plan. We went home, we got boots, and decided to come for a walk through the woods because it's not as loud or slushy. Well, I guess it's slushy, but it's not as wet, I guess. So that's different. So this is where I came and lost my drone in the middle of the lake out there. Today, I would not be crossing the lake, though I don't know that I'd be out there to fly it either. Also, this is where we filmed our Universal Yums unboxing the other day. This is crazy. This is only 2 days of decent weather. And it's like melty and scary looking. A bit ominous. Watch this.
That's a big rock.
Oh. All right, that's not what I expected to happen. I wonder if I can get out there.
No. But you? Mine all started. No.
Definitely changed my mind there. That's crazy.
Whoa!
Jeez, did you get hit?
I got hit.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh jeez.
I'm really just determined to break the ice.
I can tell.
Or myself.
Either one.
Okay, ready? Oh jeez, I can't even grab it. It's so slippery and wet. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, my back! Whoa! I really thought that was gonna break it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dizzy.
Must be thick.
Okay, let's go get some lunch.
Yeah, I'm starving.
All right. There's a package up there waiting for me, and I have no idea what it is. Could be an Amazon purchase. I'm excited. What is it?
For mommy.
Grab it, it's for mom. I was really hoping that was my drone. It has shipped but not arrived yet. You ready for a burger and some fries?
Yes.
Nice. We've got ribs that have been in the fridge for a couple of days. I think we're like at the end of cook them or throw them away, so I'm gonna make those now. And they gotta cook for like 4 hours, maybe 5. Low and slow. That's what I always say.